Hindi ko mabad trip to. Who cares? Ay! Baka tulog. Feeling ko tulog. Ay, ba yan?
Hello?
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, you saved me from tears. I gave it to someone special. Last... Hello?
Nakakuha ka ba?
Yeah.
Hala?
I'm doing virtual, caroling. So, I tried, yeah. I called Peso first, and then you. So, and then I asked them, like, oh, what song should I sing to Mika? Because everyone's like, Last Christmas, Last Christmas!
Pag nag-TikTok.
Yeah. That's it. Huh?
Kayo close ah.
Oh, this song. Anyways.
Okay.
I thought you were asleep. Kala ko, tulog ka. I was like, oh man, hindi sumagot. Tapos you called. I was like, yes!
Hindi, I was watching a movie lang.
Okay. That's it. I hope you enjoy my Christmas caroling. Send to my Gcash. Thank you.
Kaso nga lang, tawa ka ng tawa.
Ay.
Sige na.
Alright.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Ayun na, sumagot na si Ate Ay.
Hello?
Hello!
Hi!
Happy birthday!
Thank you.
Hindi ako pinatawag ako, tapos hindi ko na sasabihin ko. Well, happy birthday, and I'm not there. Joke lang. Yes.
I subscribed ka, di ba?
Yeah, I'm on Kumu Live, so don't say anything.
Di ba? 8?
Huh? No.
8?
No, nag-ano ako, 6 to 7 p.m.
Oh! Hi!
He says hi.
Oh wait, you're on Kumu na right now?
Yeah.
Bye guys!
Yeah, so...
I thought you were gonna sing.
I did.
Huh?
Hotdog.
So I mean like sing happy birthday ba?
You want ba? O sige. Nag-request na yung Miss Mariah prayer. Okay.
Sige na.
Happy birthday to... Ayoko na. Hindi ko to kaya. Hindi ko to kaya. Ang corny. Ang cringe. Hindi ko kaya. Oh, happy birthday! Happy birthday. You're 21. Go. Tumatawa si Ate Janice. Nag-chat siya sa akin. Anyways, enjoy the day. And spend time with family. Like, mag-call kayo or something. I'm sure you will, yeah. So, yeah. Ingat. And good luck sa trainings. Good luck sa atin sa training, online training.
Yes.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye! Thank you for calling.
Hi. Okay na?